Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating my weekly spread for the week of April 18th in my catch-all planner. And I have pulled a bunch of stickers out of the Squad Goals sticker book in the spring theme. I also marked a couple pages. We may be going back into the sticker book to grab a few more stickers as we go. But let's go ahead and get started. And you guys, I hope that you all had an awesome Easter weekend. I hope you were able to celebrate with hopefully family and friends, and just reflect on, man, how amazing Jesus is and what he did for us. Okay, so the spread I'm going for, like I said, spring, pulled everything out of the spring portion of the Squad Goals sticker book. And it is another wishful thinking spread for me. It has still been so cold and windy here in the Colorado mountains. I don't know why so windy. It's hardly ever windy where we live, like once in a great while, but for some reason we're on like, I don't know, week 2 or 3 of it just being windy every single day. And like I said, cold. I am just so ready for spring, like so ready for actual warm weather, so hopefully soon. But I'm not letting that stop me from making my spreads really warm and springy. Okay, and these stickers are so cute. We have like, I'm just kind of going random. I pulled all sorts of the stickers from these spring pages out of here, out of the book. So we have the cute squad girls, and lots of flowers, lots of spring colors. So that's what we're going for. I'm actually filming this over Easter weekend, and I can hear the wind outside as I film this, but I'm hoping that maybe by Monday we can start to have some warmer weather and no wind. What is it like where you're at? Have you guys been able to experience some spring, get outside, enjoy the sunshine? I sure hope so. Okay, I love these colors, just the more pastel, pretty colors. Okay, so we're gonna have a to-do list down in this corner. And then there's gonna be a couple different boxes like these around this spread. Let's see. I'm not sure where I want to put that one yet. Let's keep going. Here's another one of these boxes I'm gonna put up here, I think. So this to buy is not gonna be like, I won't be running to the store, but sometime over this week I need to put together an Amazon order. And so that's what I figured I'll use this for. And then there's a couple things to remember on Wednesday. So I'm just gonna add some little flags where I can note those things. And just adding different pops of spring everywhere that we can. And these super cute squad girls, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm not quite sure on that. Let's go to the corner and down the center. So I'm also going to be putting stickers down the center. I love doing this where they will overlap both pages. And in the bottom here, they're going to be florals mostly, but we have this beautiful green tree that I think I'm going to put down here, kind of overlapped as well. More to this side, but with a little overlap. So let's do that. And then we have this cute squad girl that can be sitting kind of under this tree. And then some grass along the bottom. I think we'll go on both sides. I pulled some out for the other side as well. Okay, now that we have that a little more filled in, let's see where I want to place these two. Yeah, maybe like that. So let's take this down here. We will center it as much as possible. And then we'll just overlap this one just a little bit. Okay, then we have one more noted sticker. Just gonna throw it on there. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna note right there yet, but we're gonna throw that on. And then let's move over to the right side before I fully finish the center. So I also, excuse me, pulled one of these strips of flowers out. So they have some of grass, some of flowers, and then there's also a few like banner type ones, which I'll show you in a second. Here we're going to put over the weekend. And that may overlap a little bit, but yeah, so this says I love the weekend. There was a couple different options in there that say different things. And you know, we could keep those flowers going. I almost want to keep those flowers going. So let's grab, I only pulled one strip of them out. I don't think I marked that page because I didn't plan on pulling more. It should be around here, right there. So let's go ahead and pull one more out. And keep this going. Oops. Keep it going to just the end. So I'm gonna grab my X-Acto knife and just kind of cut it right along the line there. Okay, awesome. See if we can salvage the little piece somewhere else. Okay, now let's bring that banner back and kind of put it maybe under the flowers a little bit. There we go. Oh, I like that. Okay. We're slightly off the edge with that sticker, so I'm just gonna cut the little excess off. It probably would have been fine, but I don't like when I'm flipping through the pages or just having that sticky stuff hang off the edge. So I try to catch those little edges. Okay, then we have a little, oh, these are so tiny, a little flag I'm gonna put up here for Thursday. And then let's hop down to the bottom. I'm a little bit all over, but I want to sometimes to figure out the placement of the stickers in the middle. I like to get the edges down so that I'm not putting them, you know, too far one way or the other. I wonder. Yeah, let's go right along the line with this. I was thinking about maybe dropping it below. I think we'll go right on the line. Kind of. That is pretty crooked over here. It's better. And then I do have some of that. Oops, I want this. Some of that grass that I want to take over here. And this I think will drop down below the line. Like the other end. Okay, and then this super cute sticker of the girls sitting on a blanket out in the grass. Oh my goodness, that just sounds amazing. I want to go do that. Put that down in the corner. Oops. And we do have a little excess hanging off there. Okay, now we have, excuse me, some boxes to start filling in. So I'm going to just kind of add this in here randomly. Decorative, it's always hardest to get them straight when you're, not going in the boxes, but I also like how it looks. And then we're gonna have a remember sticker. Let's go off to the side like this. Okay. And then another one up here. And then one more box on this side that's going to say errands. I think I'm going to put this in Thursday. So Thursday night is when I plan to do just a quick little run to the store and anything else we have to get done. And so that's the difference between these two. This will be to buy online, and then this will be anything I need to go buy or errands to run in town. Excuse me. And then this little jogging squad girl, she's so cute. I'm thinking, again, wishful thinking, that if it's going to be nice outside, I can go for a walk or a jog next weekend, hopefully. All right, just filling in a few extra random stickers here. Get some overlapping. Where was this one? I think this one was over here, maybe. Let's go like that. I do need a little bit of room to write there, I think. Okay, that is looking good. So I'm gonna place these down. It's pretty full, for me anyway. But I'm loving all of the color. And we're not done yet. It's pretty full, but we're not done. I'm still going to add flowers down the center, and then we will be done. I don't always, more recently, if you've been watching my Plan With Me videos, I don't always fully press the stickers down in case I want to move one. I just found that that makes it slightly easier to pull them up off the paper. Okay, let's start going down the center. One thing I want this sticker up here, but I don't know that I like the shape of it, so I think what we're gonna do is cut this third flower off. We'll still be able to use it, but then I can put it where I want, and then we can get these up here like that. Okay. This is just the end of that little sticker that I was wondering if we could maybe throw somewhere. Just to add a little extra. There we go. And then I think that's good. I was wondering if we might have to add a few more, but I think that that is good. So let's get those pressed down. All right, and then all I will do, I have showed this in other videos, but a lot of times I just do it after the fact. So all I will do now is cut through that, get my hole punch out, punch those holes so we can place it back in the planner. And I think that's where we're going to end. Like I said, this is a very full spread for me, for what I usually do, but I really do like it. It is just like a pop of spring, and I'm just hoping that our weather will match this beautiful spread next week. Well, what do you guys think? Do you like how it turned out? Are you doing a lot of decorating with spring stickers, floral stickers? I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. And thanks again for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you like how this turned out. Hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you'll know when I post my next video, and I will talk to you guys then. Bye!